Dear students, in this session we are discussing about four principles of OOPS or object oriented programming. Okay, first principle is called abstraction or data abstraction. Second one, encapsulation. Third one, inheritance. Fourth one, polymorphism. Okay, we will see these four principles one by one deeply. Okay, first one, abstraction. Okay, abstraction or data abstraction means is a method of hiding implementation and showing only the functionality, and also will define hiding the unnecessary details and showing only the necessary details. Okay, we'll see this with an example. Okay, example, we know how to drive a car but we don't know how to build a car. Okay, it is an example. For example, another example, we are using a mobile phones, we are using mobiles. Okay, we know how to use, okay, we know how to use, but we don't know how to build a mobile phone. Okay, how to build a mobile phone. Or you can take any app. For example, you are using any WhatsApp. Okay, you're using any WhatsApp app, you know to send a messages, you know send messages, sorry, send messages, you know, but you don't know how that message, how that message are reaching to others. You don't know about this. These are called implementation details. So we see only the futures, we don't worry about a implementation. That is called data abstraction. Okay, next principle we will see. Next principle is encapsulation. Encapsulation means wrapping up of data and function together into a single unit is called encapsulation. Okay, here we can see we are combining a data and a function into a single unit is called class. We are combining. Previously I explained in object in a class or object we can combining both data and function into a single unit. It is called class. Okay, this feature will keep the save the data or data security. It will provide the data security. Okay, we'll see with an example. For example, here there is a, I'll given in one picture, variables in the sense it is called data, methods is called functions. Okay, methods is called functions. We are combining these two into a single unit is called class. Also we can call it's a object. Okay, it will provide the security for data. Okay, is called, it's another concept of object oriented programming. Okay, next we will see another concept. Okay, it is called inheritance. Okay, means it is a mechanism of deriving a new class from already existing class. Okay, already existing class is called superclass and deriving class is called new class. Deriving our new class is called subclass. Okay, it will be useful for code reusability. Okay, we'll see these things with an example. Okay, here base class is also called a parent class and derived class is also called a child class. Okay, for example, if you watch the movie The Lion King, okay, if you watch the movie Lion King, you will understand. For example, parent is called Mufasa, parent is a Mufasa, the child is a Simba. Okay, the characteristics of Mufasa will be derived to a Simba. Like that, the base class characteristics will be derived to a child class. Or you can take another example. For example, how it will be useful for us, we want to create a software. Okay, if you want to create a new software, by we can use the features of already existing software. Okay, if you want to create a new software, you can use the features of already existing software. It is treated as an inheritance. Okay, we can see next concept. Okay, next concept is polymorphism. Okay, polymorphism means what? Polymorphism means one interface multiple implementations. Or in a Greek it is poly means many, more means forms. Okay, many forms. For example, same thing will act as a many forms. Okay, here you can see the The same steering we can take in a same thing, but it will be useful for different cars as a different implementations. Okay, different cars with different implementation. Okay, we can see this with another example. Okay, example, we taken a boy called Raju. Raju will a son or brother in home. Okay, and Raju is the son or brother in home, student in a class, a student in a class or school, and he is a customer in a market. Okay, same Raju will act as a son or brother, same Raju will act as a student, same Raju will act as a customer. Like that, the same thing will act as a multiple forms is called polymorphism. For example, here we can take one method called add, and we can use for different purposes. For example, the same method with same name will use to add two numbers, will add three numbers, will add four numbers, different numbers also. For example, we'll add decimal numbers, will add fractional numbers. Like that, different numbers we can add. Okay, now we'll discuss about in a polymorphism. We learned four principles of principles of object principles of object oriented programming. Okay.